What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Traders Lounge. And I have another technical trader explains video for you guys. So today we're going to be talking about trading channels. Essentially what this is when price is ranging from one end to another end, and it's bouncing off like these parallel lines. So we're going to dive right on into it. There we go. Okay, trading channel, simplified, excuse me. This is from Investopedia. But I broke it down. So also known as price channel, it shows support and resistance levels using parallel lines. Now we have two different channels. We have an ascending channel and we have a descending channel. Okay. So that's when price is going up and then price is going down. We're going to break both of them down really quickly. So ascending channel. An ascending channel is the price action contained between upward sloping and parallel lines. So this is strictly from Investopedia. Okay. Investopedia, this is their definition. An ascending channel is price action contained between upward sloping parallel lines. And this is what that looks like. So you have price come down here, making this low, bounces off this high, comes back down, makes a higher low, bounces off this high, makes another higher high, makes a higher low, and then another higher high, and then finally it breaks out of this channel. So this is going up in an upwards pattern, right? And this is NZD USD. So this is a forex pair. This is typically what this looks like, right? And essentially how you would trade this is you would look for price action somewhere either at the bottom of the channel or the top of the channel, but you wouldn't trade it in the middle. You would write it down to the next higher low and then up to the next higher high, down to the next higher low, higher high, and then then if you're looking to take it from here down to here, it comes back up, you know what I'm saying? So even if you got it for a buy here, you would have got stopped out. But anyway, next, so descending channel, essentially it's the opposite. A descending channel is drawn by connecting the lower highs and lower lows of a security's price with parallel trend lines to show a downward trend. So it's the same thing as an ascending channel. This one is just going downward. So take a look at that. So as you can see, price comes up here, comes down, makes a lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low. To higher low? Yeah, a higher low and then a lower low. And this is where it's telling you where the entries are. So you would go short here, here, and then here, and then you go long here and right here, like I just explained. So that is the end of my slide, but we're gonna head straight into the charts right here. So this is GBP JPY. Let's see. So I drew this up for you guys. Now there is a tool, if you have TradingView, there is a tool that can help you identify these trend lines. But the tool that I use for this one is just a trend line tool. So you come over here to trend line tools, and then it's right here. I have it in my favorites in my toolbar. And if you want to add it to yours, you just have to press the star here and then it'll be added into your favorites. So trend line right here, this is what I use for this one. And what I also use for drawing my trend lines are the ray. So I like to use the ray more than the trend line. If I wanted to extend longer into like infinity, then I'll use the ray. But if I just wanted to just highlight a small area like I did here with this channel, then I would use this, just a trend line tool. So as you can see here, you guys, this is this a ascending channel or a descending channel? What do you guys think? Ascending or descending? Well, if you said descending, then you're correct. So what identifies this as descending is price is going in a downward slope, right? So you have a high here, you have a low here, you have a lower high, and then you have this doesn't really count, but this is another lower high, a lower low, a lower high, and then finally, just like we saw in the other one, guys, look, price broke through out of the channel, right? We literally just saw that in this example right here. Let me see, I'll show you. Let's see, let's get back to here. We literally just saw it. This was going up, but literally just broke right through. Same thing, broke out of this channel and it continued, I think continued downward, right? So let's go to a different currency pair and let's try to find some more descending and ascending channels. So we'll do AUD USD. Okay. So this is AUD USD, and let's backtrack. Let's go to October. Let's go to September. We'll go to September 1st. Okay, and then we'll replay. All right, so now we're going back. Let's see. Guys, see any ascending or descending channels? Now this is the 4-hour chart. I mean, you can kind of say this is more of a flag pattern than a ascending or descending channel, but sometimes it can get confusing, and that's okay. See any channels? Any channels? Let's see. Okay, we can kind of see this might be a channel. We can, let's see. Let's use our tool that we have over here. So this is the tool for parallel channels. If you have trading views, you come all the way over to the trend line tool bar tab over here. You come all the way down to parallel channel. We're just going to add it to our favorites for right now. So this is it right here. I added it to my favorites and it ended up down here. Okay. So I'm going to go back to full screen. And we're going to click on this channel. So now how to draw this up is you want to find your 2 points, right? Just like what I mentioned in the trend line video, you got to find 2 points. There you go. So you see price is heading down, and let's see, I'll do it, put it right here. Right, okay. So now, price made a high, lower high, but then just continued, right? It didn't really bounce back and forth off of it. So I don't know if we would want to consider this a channel. It looks like it's more of a flag pattern that's just, it got smaller in the middle and then finally shot right out. So it's okay. Let's see if we can find something else. All right. Let's see. So this one can pass for a channel. You see it made that high up at the top there, and then it came back down. So this would be an ascending channel, like a mini ascending channel. So you have the low here, came up, it bounced on the top here, came back down, another higher low. It tried to get up there. This actually made a higher high right here. And then finally it broke out of the channel. So this would be an ascending channel, right? Let's go to, let's see. Let's go to a different pair. Drawing. Let's see. Where do we want to go to, you guys? Let's do USD JPY. I don't really go to that one that much. So yeah, let's go. Let's bring it up. Let's go November 4th. Let's see what we can find. Let's try the daily. See if the daily will give us anything good. Let's see. I would say here, this looks like a small channel because it made that high. Yep. Okay. See how I made this low here, made a high, made a low here, another high, put in this pattern and then shot right out. So this is an ascending channel. That's current price. All right. So I can find a few more for you guys. Let's take a look. This looks pretty decent. You see, it made a high here, a low here, a high here, a low here, and then it shot up. So this would be a descending. So we'll take the tool, we'll draw a line from here to match this high right there, and then we'll pull this down. There we go. So you have the high here. So here's a high, low, higher, lower high, a lower low, and then price shot out, retested, and kept going. So there's another one. See if we can find one more good one. So 4 hours. So we're back in 2016. Let's see. This looks good. What do you guys think? Low here. Yeah, high. Let's see. This looks more like a bearish flag to me than a channel, but let's test it. Yeah, I think it'll pass. What do you guys think? So we have our low here, right? High. We made some wick down here to the low. Made another high, low. Tried to get back up there, rejected, shot right out, right? All right, guys. So that is trading channels. All right. So we went over ascending channels. We went over what descending channels are. So this is the ascending, right? Low, high, low, high, low, high, and then price broke out of the channel. We went over descending, right? Showed us where our entries would be at the top here. And then the entries would be the same thing, like I mentioned before for ascending. So you get in for a buy here, a buy here, a buy here, and then a buy here. And then your sales would be right at the top here, right? So that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you learned something new. Take this information and just back test it. Go back, just like we did just now, and look for ascending and descending channels, right? And then just trade it. See if you guys can trade it. You know what I mean? Try to get in at the bottom here. Set your stop loss right down here below. Right up to the top. Once you get to that top, take profit. That's it. And then you can either take your profit and then wait for price to come down and then go back up to get back in, or take your profit and just quickly get in for that sale and write it down to the downside. You know what I mean? That's if you're an aggressive trader. But if you're not, if you want to take only the buys in the channels, you want to get in right here and just right up to the top, and then you want to wait the price sell off for a little bit and then get back down here at the bottom, right up to the top, then wait and then see what price wants to do. See price broke out, retest it, you're getting for that sale, you just ride it down. You know what I mean? So that's it for this video, you guys. I really hope you guys did learn something new, and just back test it. Just back test it, back test it, back test it, and just master trading channels and trend lines. All right, you guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.